Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your Twitter account public in 2023 and onwards. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter account and go on setting and privacy. And you have to go on the top search, and you have to write here privacy and safety, privacy, and click on the privacy, and then on the top you have to click on audience and tagging. So you can see here protect your tweets. This button is on now. You have to off it. When you off it, now your tweet will be public and everybody can follow you and everybody can retweet your tweets. Thank you so much.